Welcome! If you're trying to video chat or send a photo through Messenger but the camera won't turn on, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow camera access on Messenger step by step. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your settings. Everything we need is right there. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see apps, or sometimes it's called app management depending on your device. Tap on that option. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger, the one with the familiar blue chat bubble icon, and tap on it. This will open the app's details where you can adjust all kinds of permissions and settings related to Messenger. Next, look for an option called Permissions. Tap that, and you'll see a list of different permissions Messenger might need, like your microphone, contacts, storage, and of course the camera. Now, here's the key part. Tap on Camera and make sure it's set to Allow. This setting gives Messenger permission to use your device's camera whenever you make a video call or take a quick picture within the app. Without this permission, Messenger won't be able to access your camera at all, which is why it's so important to enable it. Once you've selected Allow, you can exit the settings and open Messenger again. Try making a quick video call or using the camera option in a chat. If everything went right, you should see your camera feed appear instantly. And that's it. You've successfully allowed camera access on Messenger. It's a simple fix, but it makes a big difference the next time you want to connect face-to-face with your friends or family. If this guide helped you, take a moment to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.